Understanding squares, cubes and roots. Square of a number is a number which is obtained by multiplying by itself. For example, square of number 2 is 2 times 2, which is 4. Square of number 4 is 4 times 4, which is 16. Square of number 6 is 6 times 6, which is 36. Similarly, 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49. 9 squared, which is 9 times 9, which is 81. These are the squares of the first 12 numbers. Square of 1 is 1 times 1, which is 1. Square of 2 is 2 times 2, which is 4. Square of 3, which is 3 times 3, which is 9, and so on. Cube of a number is the number which is obtained by multiplying by itself 3 times. Cube of 1 is 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. Cube of 2, which is 2 times 2 times 2, is 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. Cube of 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Similarly, 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. 6 cubed is 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. And 8 cubed is 8 times 8 times 8, which is 512. Square root of a number is the number which needs to be multiplied by itself. Square root of 4 is 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. Hence, the square root of 4 is 2. Similarly, 25 is obtained by 5 times 5. Hence, the square root of 25 is 5. 7 times 7 is 49. Hence, the square root of 49 is 7. Similarly, the square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 169 is 13. Cube root of a number is a number which needs to be multiplied by itself 3 times. 27 is obtained by multiplying 3 by itself 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Hence, the cube root of 27 is 3. Similarly, 64 is obtained by multiplying 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Hence, the cube root of 64 is 4. 729 is obtained by multiplying 9 times 9 times 9. Hence, the cube root of 729 is 9. Here is a practice exercise for you. Pause the video and answer the questions. You can again play the video to check your answers. Here are the answers. The 3 square numbers in the following numbers are 25, which is 5 times 5. 81, which is 9 times 9, and 121, which is 11 times 11. The two cube numbers are 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2, and 1000, which is 10 cubed. The square root of 196 is 14, because 14 times 14 is 196. The cube root of 343 is 7, because 7 times 7 times 7 is 343.